everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am buried under this big box right here that I received from Amazon. So I thought I just cut it open. I didn't go any further to hide my address. So let's dive in. Let's see what we have and go from there. So, okay. So this is, if you guys are following my channel, if I bump you, I'm sorry. I'm buried alive. If you've been following my channel, you know that I'm currently working on a Craftymint diamond painting. And I also have been helping Craftymint out behind the scenes with, giving them feedback from what you guys have been saying, also feedback from what I'm experiencing with. And as a thank you gift, this is what they sent me. So let's open it up and see what it is. This is one of the reasons I wanted to do the diamond painting of the month, is so that I could also give back and give thank you gifts to you guys for just loving on each other and being there, because I know we all can't be reviewers, and so I wanted to, oh nice, hey guys, it's got a plug and it's got a clip. You know what that means? That means this must be a light pad. Woo! Alright, I have an obsession with these boxes. Like, I keep wanting to keep them and I don't know why. But, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Brian, over at Craftymint. Comes beautifully bubble wrapped. All right. Gives you like the operation instructions. So there's a protective film on it to tear off. What's really nice is it has their logo on it, guys, or their Craftymint on it. That's pretty cool. Then here's the film to tear off. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like it's between size 4, an A4 and an A3. So this is my A3, just a little bit bigger, but it's definitely not the size of an A4. So this is actually a really good size, everyone, to go check out. They have, it's an LED drawing tracing pad. It says it's an A3, but the actual light part is not quite an A3. But it's got the little pads. It's got inches, and then it has the plug in it. Now what I like about this plug, which is really great, even though it goes right into here, when you're unplugging it from this, and so that way you're not continuously opening and shutting, and damaging right into the light pad. That's what happened to my A4. Also, they give you a really long cord, and it can be a USB, or they give you an adapter to plug into your wall. And then they give you a little clip. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Brian. And I am really loving my Craftymint, guys. The drills are phenomenal. I have been able just to kind of sit and enjoy the process of the painting. And so I just highly recommend. They are on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. And they have I think it's a 60 by 70 size, which is about $35.99 price. And then they have a smaller size, which I think is still like around the 40 by 50, which I think is around $19, which is still a really good deal considering they do Prime. You'll, if you're in the US, you'll get it within 2 to 3 days. And then they also stand behind their products. So if you're missing drills, if something's wrong with the canvas, you know, Brian is right there. They have a guarantee. And so I have just really been loving it. And I just can't wait to finish it. So I will put their link down below and let you guys make the decision for yourself as well. This light pad, I believe, is also on Amazon. I don't quite know the price, but I'll put the link as well down below so that you can check it out. And I love that they took the extra time, and it has their word logo on it. It's white. It's got a little bit of a dark teal look to it. And it's just really high quality. So let me see here. Plug this in. Whoops, that's not gonna work. Ah! I'm knocking my trays over here. Let me plug it in just so that we can see if it works. I have my computer right here. All right, ready? So there's 1, 2, 3. Look at that. And then off. So it's got 3 settings. Works beautifully. Can't wait to use it. Thank you so much, Craftymint. You guys are doing amazing. I know they're coming out with new designs because they were just starting out, so they wanted to make sure they didn't overkill until they got feedback. I know they're working on a website, so they'll have Amazon and their website to purchase from. I also know that they're working on listening and how do the covers work. You know, the covers, how is the canvas, the drills, the symbols. They have a Facebook page that they invite people to, and it's kind of Brian and his wife are doing everything that they can to really listen to the community and get the proper feedback so that they can really help us have a successful time with our diamond paintings. Oh, look, see, if you guys watched my last video, I was struggling with my pink diamond. It is there now. It's beautiful. So I can't wait. I'm filling this place up. So yeah, thank you so much for all you do. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you want more, I do unboxings, I do drill with me's, I do little therapy settings because I'm a therapist. And we just have so much fun here. I do lives sporadically on Friday nights from 9 to 10 Eastern Standard Time, and I just can't wait to connect with you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already and you want more videos, and the notification bell. Until next time, you guys, have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.